Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back again. We have completed the educational series. Time to move to Bitcoin Analytic, where we explore the new way of thinking the Bitcoin world. Most people think Bitcoin is digital money, but that's actually not correct. And it's the reason beginners misunderstood Bitcoin completely. Bitcoin isn't just digital, Bitcoin is unchangeable. It's the first digital money humans ever created that cannot be altered, inflated, corrupted, or captured by anyone. Once you understand what unchangeable means, you will never look back at money the same way again. Today's title, Bitcoin, the first unchangeable digital money. Myth number one, digital money can always be addicted. Every digital system in our life has an administrator. The bank can freeze your account. Apps can update their rules. Governments can change the monetary policy overnight. Digital is like addictable. That's the rule of modern world. And Bitcoin breaks this rule. It's the first digital system with no administrator, no CEO, no founder, no committee, no government, no override button to press. Bitcoin is digital money without an addictor. Myth number two, Bitcoin is scarce because of the 21 million limit. Beginners think scarcity is equal to 21 million, but that's not really true. If the rule can change, the number can also change, right? Gold supply changed when new mines were discovered. Fiat supply changes every time a central bank prints. Altcoin change supply whenever founder vote. Scarcity is only matters if the rule cannot be changed. Bitcoin is the first monetary system where the rules are protected by physics, energy, global competitions, independent nodes, economic incentives. This is incorruptible scarcity, not just a number. Myth number three, developers or miners can change Bitcoin. People think Bitcoin works like a software. Just update it. Just change the code. Just vote. But Bitcoin doesn't work like apps. Miners secure the block. Developer propose ideas. Nodes enforce the rules. And nodes, millions of them, simply reject any rule that violates Bitcoin's core principles. Bitcoin is the only digital system where no group can override the power. Myth number four, government can shut down Bitcoin. People imagine Bitcoin has a switch, but Bitcoin is not a website, it's not a company, it's not a server. Bitcoin is a global energy-based organism. To shut it down, the government will have to shut down global electricity, global hardware, global miners, global nodes, global incentives. That's impossible, especially in the world where countries are launching new monetary system and competing for financial power. Bitcoin doesn't rely on permission. It relies on physics. Bitcoin isn't just scarce. It isn't just decentralized. It isn't just digital. Bitcoin is unchangeable. The first digital money that cannot be altered, inflated, corrupted, or captured by anyone. That's why Bitcoin isn't crypto. It's a new category of money. And it's the only one built to survive the next 100 years or more. Think about it. Analyze what I said today. All right. And you will understand what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching. See you next episode. Bye bye.